A small river flows in this valley, and Iwayadoo is near the river. Fudo-In Iwaya-Do is a unique Buddhist temple built in a big cave. It is located in Wakasa town about 35 kilometers southeast of Tottori city, and is in a valley in the mountain. The natural cave is on a rocky cliff of the mountainside. The height of the cave is about 13 meters, the width is about 7 meters, and the depth is about 10 meters. Iwayadoo temple in the cave is about 10 meters in height, and it is a national important cultural property. Jinko-Ji temple was founded in 806. Jinko-Ji became a large temple in the Middle Ages, and the current Iwayadoo was constructed as a building of Jinko-Ji in the late 14th century. Jinko-Ji was destroyed by fire in 1581. But only Iwayadoo remained.